In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Cursor AI. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to get from a blank screen to a fresh workspace where you can start writing code right away. We'll keep things simple and clear, so you can follow along even if this is your very first time using Cursor AI. First, make sure you have Cursor AI installed on your computer. This just means the application should be present in your usual apps list, ready to launch. If you already use it, you're good to go. If you're unsure, look for the cursor icon where you keep your programs. Having the app properly installed ensures the editor can open files, create workspaces, and behave as expected. It's also a good idea to have a current version so features and menus match what you'll see here. Next, open the Cursor application on your computer. Give it a moment to load. You'll land in the main editor interface, which is designed to be clean and focused. If you see a welcome area or a mostly blank editor, that's normal. Cursor is ready for you to create your first file and, with it, your project workspace. Now, look toward the top of your screen for the menu bar and click File in the top corner. On some systems, the File menu sits in the application's top bar. On others, it appears in the System menu bar. Either way, this is where you'll find core actions like creating and managing files. If your window is narrow, you may need to maximize it so the menu is fully visible. From the File menu, click New Text File. This opens a brand new, untitled file in the editor. In Cursor, starting a new text file is the fastest way to spin up a fresh coding workspace. You can immediately begin typing code, notes, or configuration, whatever your project needs first. Cursor will recognize many languages as soon as you add the right file extension later, and you'll see helpful syntax highlighting and editor tools kick in. If you prefer to separate this work from what you already have open, choose New Window to place your new workspace in its own window, which can make multitasking and side-by-side comparisons easier. That's it. You've launched Cursor AI, opened the File menu, and created a new text file that serves as the starting point for your project. From here, you're ready to name your file, organize your folders, and start building. Keep this simple flow in mind the next time inspiration strikes. You can be up and coding in seconds.